If you love some Pina Colada Popsicles, this is for you. You need a half a cup of cream of coconut, 14 ounces of coconut milk, 20 ounces of pineapple chunk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some coconut flakes if you like. Pour the pineapple chunks and the juice into the blender. Then add the coconut milk, the coconut cream, and the sugar. Close the lid and blend it for about 30 seconds. Now add some coconut flakes if you like. And if this is just for you, you can put also some rum in it. You know, just saying. Blend it again for 20 seconds and done. Now fill it into the popsicle form. I put some more coconut flakes halfway and then fill it up to the top. I just love coconut. Don't worry if you make a mess. Nothing which can't be fixed afterwards. Now take a small spatula and clean up the top. Put the lid on and start sticking the sticks into place. When you're all done, freeze it for at least 6 hours or overnight. And look at this. You can't buy this in the store, especially with the rum in it. I know you thank me later. That's it for now. I see you in my next video.